Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about why people fear financial success. Let's get into the video. When most people think about financial success, they imagine freedom, security, and the ability to live life on their own terms. It's often seen as the ultimate goal, something to strive for and celebrate. However, what many do not realize is that a surprising number of people subconsciously fear financial success. This fear can quietly hold them back from earning more, saving consistently, or pursuing bigger opportunities. Understanding why this fear exists is the first step towards overcoming it. Fear of responsibility. Financial success often brings increased responsibility. More money means more decisions: how to invest, how to manage taxes, how to protect assets, how to sustain wealth over time. For some, this added pressure feels overwhelming. Instead of embracing growth, individuals may unconsciously avoid opportunities that would increase their income because they do not feel prepared to handle the responsibility that comes with it. Fear of change. Success changes things: your lifestyle, your relationships, and even your identity. For many people, change can feel uncomfortable, even when it's positive. Someone who has always lived paycheck to paycheck may feel uncertain about stepping into a more stable financial position. The habits, routines, and mindset that once felt familiar may no longer apply, creating internal resistance to change. Fear of losing relationships. Money can affect relationships in complicated ways. Some people worry that becoming financially success will distance them from friends or family who are not in the same position. There may also be concerns about being judged, resented, or expected to provide financial support. This fear can lead individuals to downplay their success or avoid pursuing higher income opportunities altogether. Fear of failure after success. Ironically, success can create a new fear: the fear of losing it. Once someone reaches a certain level of financial stability, they may become overly cautious, avoiding risks that could lead to further growth. This fear of falling back can cause individuals to stay stuck in their current situations rather than continue to build wealth. Limited beliefs about money. Many people grow up with negative beliefs about money, such as money changes people, rich people are greedy, I am not good with money, I do not deserve to be wealthy. These beliefs can create an internal conflict. On one hand, a person may want financial success. On the other hand, they may associate wealth with negative traits or outcomes. This conflict can lead to self sabotage, such as overspending, avoiding opportunities, or failing to plan for the future. Fear of visibility and judgment. Financial success often comes with increased visibility, whether it's through business growth, career advancement, or lifestyle changes. Success can attract attention. Some people fear being judged, criticized, or scrutinized by others. They may worry about what people will think if they earn more, invest differently, or live a more comfortable lifestyle. This fear can cause them to stay small rather than step into their full potential. Comfort in familiar struggles. As strange as it may sound, struggle can feel comfortable because it is familiar. Many people are used to managing financial stress, budgeting tightly, or living with uncertainty. Success requires stepping into the unknown, which can feel riskier than staying in familiar but challenging situations. This comfort zone can make it difficult to break old patterns and embrace new possibilities. Fear of overgrowing yourself. Financial success often requires personal growth, learning new skills, developing discipline, and adopting a different mindset. This can be intimidating. Some people fear that they won't be able to keep up with the demands of a more successful lifestyle. They may doubt their ability to manage wealth or sustain success over time. How to overcome the fear? Recognizing this fear is powerful, but taking action is what creates change. Here are a few ways to move forward. Build financial education. The more you understand money, the more confident you will feel managing it. Start small. You do not have to become wealthy overnight. Focus on steady progress. Challenge limited beliefs. Replace negative thoughts about money with empowering ones. Create a plan. Clear goals reduce uncertainty and make success feel achievable. Surround yourself with growth minded people. Your environment influences your mindsets. In conclusion, I believe fear of financial success is more common than people realize. It often operates quietly in the background, influences decisions, and limiting potential. But success does not have to be something to fear. It can be something to prepare for. By addressing these fears, building confidence, and developing healthy money habits, you can move beyond hesitation and step into financial success with clarity and purpose. At the end of the day, financial success isn't just about money. It's about freedom, opportunity, and the ability to create the life you truly want. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.